going on, everyone? It's Jed. We're gonna go over Bitcoin real quick. We're seeing some nice action. I did make a small post earlier the day, but I figured it'd be great to update the levels with you guys, and just update Bitcoin. So let's delete levels, some unnecessary levels that we don't want. We have this 4 hour here. This is invalid. We have this 4 hour here. That's invalid. So downtrend. What can we do with downtrend? We can extend it right to the next swing high candle. So we have that. Hasn't hard closed above it yet. Now, also, guys, from the last update, I think it was the video I did. I had a little drawing where I was like, yeah, Bitcoin's going to go test this uptrend now. I spoke too soon, and I didn't make the levels until early this morning, which was the update I guys posted. I missed on 1 hour level. So guys, if you see something, if you see a level, like obviously this is the swing high here, right? So that's pretty obvious. I just didn't bother to go to the 1 hour. I think I was just in a rush. But guys, if you see something and, it's something I may have missed, or even if it's something that, you're not sure of, but you think it's a level that I missed, feel free to put a comment, guys. That's how you get better yourself. I mean, if you're correcting me or Ali, I mean, that's just your attention to detail is great. So, I'm surprised no one caught me for that. But if you see something that I may have missed, again, feel free to drop a comment on the video, and I'll look into it. And hey, you never know, you might be right. So back to the analysis. So we bounced off this 1 hour untested. Now it's a tested 1 hour level. It was able to give Bitcoin the momentum to break out of the downtrend that it was originally in. So I originally had it over here, I think, somewhere around these two levels. Yeah, here. And it gave it the opportunity to pretty much break above it. I think it was this one. And hard close above it. So now we extend it to the next swing high. And let's mark some levels on the 4 hour. So what are the levels that it tested? So obviously, guys, it tested the swing high right here, and we have another one here. And this is on the 4 hour time frame. So let's make it blue, and let's make them dotted because they're tested. All right. So this is no surprise, guys. This is not anything new. It tested the swing high, right? You guys are masters at marking swing highs. That's nothing new. It tested the swing high. Great sell point. Great. You made 4.5%. So what's going on now? Right now, it's an accumulation against in between the swing high and the low of the swing high. So right now, as you guys can see, we're in a local apex, a very local apex. So if you go to the 1 hour time frame, no, 4 hour, it's not valid. So let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Let's go back to the 4 hour time frame. We're going to see some price action. We're going to see some price action in the next coming hours. Personally, I don't think it'll be crazy volatile considering that, considering the move that just happened. What I'm hoping is for Bitcoin to find accumulation on this 4 hour and maybe break above this and retest this. And the more tests, the better it is, because then you can create an uptrend and eventually move up. So that's just one scenario. Overall, guys, this is very nice that Bitcoin created this triangle, as you guys can see here visually. What that pretty much means is that it invalidated the downtrend. So the downtrend that brought it down, this downtrend that brought Bitcoin down, it went back up and retested that same level. So it's a bull sign locally. It's a locally bull sign, and it's a good sign for Bitcoin because it pretty just invalidated that drop. So right now it's just trying to make its way up. So even if it did find accumulation, retested this and bounced here, and let's say it just dropped here because it retested the swing high, keep in mind, guys, that still is a lower high. So you just extend the downtrend like that, but we won't know till then. So right now, what we know now is that we have a local apex coming, right? closer we are to local apexes, the closer we are to volatile action. Okay, and when I mean volatile, I don't really think it's going to be an enormous move up. I think it's just maybe going to retest this 4 hour again. But hopefully that will set itself up for the second ladder point to move up. But yeah, keep in mind, guys, we have to zoom out. We haven't zoomed out yet on this daily. So that was a daily swing high. So what now we do now here is that we can actually just remove this daily swing low of the high now. This is invalid. And are there any more current dailies here? No, there aren't any more current dailies. We do have this peak here, and we do have the body of the candle here. So let's make this red, and let's make this red as well. This, guys, would be untested, right? Again, you could do the body or the wick. We could do the wick for now. So yeah, not anything current. So let's go to the 4 hour time frame. And we have an untested 4 hour. Again, you could do the body or the wick. We have an untested level here. Actually, no, this is tested. This is actually tested. So although it's tested, the second bounce could also give it a momentum to move up as well. So just because it tested over here doesn't entirely mean it's a super weak level that it'll break through. Just like we spoke about on untested and tested levels at the prior bite-sized video. But anyway, guys, again, hopefully we find accumulation here. If not, hopefully we'll see Bitcoin at least fall to here, because then that will give it the opportunity to enter in another step of accumulation, but at a higher low. And yeah, we still have this uptrend. It's still in existence, guys. You don't remove this. So yeah, that's the Bitcoin update, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave a comment, and I'll be more than happy to answer. See ya.